Students, today I will explain JEE 2022 expected chapters and topics. Our team observed and studied so many question papers previous like 2000, 2021, 2022 include previous papers also. Last 5 years papers they studied, they got some conclusions. What type of questions they expecting and what type of topics they given previous examinations. Okay, so very important. Once again I am telling you, these topics, those students are unable to prepare entire topics or entire syllabus, that student only follows strictly. So it is, this topic is only for these chapters and topics only for average and below average students. Those students are not having sufficient time to prepare entire syllabus. Okay, you should be remember. So here our team selected one question from the units and dimensions. Next, our team selected one question from the kinematics. You should be focused on most straight line and most in plane. Next, our team selected one question from the laws of motion. So in laws of motion, our team selected topics is law of conservation of linear momentum, friction. Law of conservation of linear momentum, friction and connected bodies. Our team selected one question from the work power energy. If you see previous examination, they given potential energy related U equal to x power 12 by A minus x power 6 by B. The total energy is given. Sometimes total energy is given, they asking velocity and position of the particles. That type of questions you should be practice. Next, friction also here, work power energy, collision also is there. You should be follow collision topics also. Next, system of particles. So our team selected two questions from the system of particles. So one question they are expecting rotational dynamics and another question from the center of mass. Okay, gravitation. Our team selected one question from the gravitation. Our team selected topics is escape velocity, orbital velocity, energy in satellites. Okay, like a time period of the satellite, they are asking questions like that only. Next, simple harmonic motion. So our team selected one question from the simple harmonic motion. Our team focused on the topics is spring energy related concept and amplitude orientation concepts. Next, here our team selected solids and fluids. If you observe one question, that one question selected from the solids and fluids. If you observe recent papers, they are given terminal velocity and time graphs like that only, and viscous force also. You should be focused on viscous concepts also. Next, here heat and thermodynamics. Our team selected three questions from the heat and thermodynamics. Our team focused main topics is PV diagrams and Newton's law of cooling, transmission of heat. Okay, transmission of heat also our team selected only conduction only. Okay, if we observe plus 2 syllabus, our team focused on optics. They focused only three questions from the optics. So one question from the lens, another question from the prism, and the third question they selected from the wave optics Young's double slit experiment, that is called YDSE. So from the optics, our team selected three questions. Next, electrostatic. Our team selected three questions from the electrostatic. Our team selected topics is electric field and potential related, capacitor with dielectric constants, and energy in capacitors. Next, very important topics, electricity. Current electricity is given here. That current electricity, our team selected three questions. So mostly they focused on electric circuits, Wheaton bridge principle, concept orientation, and potentiometer principle. So these three topics you should be follow. Next, magnets. Our team selected terrestrial magnets like earth magnetic field, what is the relation, some concept they are asking like that only. Next, here if you observe here, motional EMF. So that means electromagnetic induction. Our team selected one question from the electromagnetic induction, that is the motional EMF. Like one rod is rotating in magnetic field, what is the potential difference between the ends of the rod? They are asking different applications. Our team is selected electromagnetic induction one question. So next here alternating current. So our team selected one question from the alternate circuit. So that topic is power factor and quality factor. Next, so here very big weightage is given modern physics along with logical gates. Logic gates and included here modern physics. Here if you observe, so hydrogen spectrum, our team focused on hydrogen spectrum, radioactivity and logical gates. Especially, once again I am telling you, those students are unable to prepare entire syllabus. So as that student only, you should be follow these topics. Okay, thank you. Best of luck.